In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting EPS files to other format using the BitRecover EPS Converter wizard. To install the BitRecover EPS Converter wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with Select File or Select Folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Select the folder or folders containing the EPS files you wish to convert. Then, click the Select Folder option below. This box will display the path of the selected folder. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to convert. Click Next. Select Saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Users have the option to save the files in other formats such as JPG, PNG, GIF, DOC, PDF, and many others. Let's select the PDF option for this tutorial. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. The Save Converted Messages in Same Source Folder option will save the converted messages to the same folder from where the EPS files were selected. After selecting the destination path, it's time for the conversion process. Simply click the Convert button, and the conversion process will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the conversion was successful. The trail version will only process 5 messages and will contain watermarks. To remove the limit, user will have to purchase license to the software. Click OK to open the destination folder and access the newly converted files. You have successfully converted EPS files using the BitRecover EPS Converter wizard. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.